Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer or send money from WeChat to GCash. So the first step that you have to do is open your WeChat application, and then from here just click on remit. So from here just have to select the Ewallet and then type the amount of the money that you're going to be sending, and then after that just go ahead and tap on confirm at the bottom. Next to that is to select a receiver, or you can also add a new receiver. So just go ahead and do it, and then after that just tap on confirm at the very bottom. And then next is you will have to select the remittance purpose, so you can just go ahead and select any of that, but in this example I'm just going to click on payment for goods. Next is just go ahead and tap on pay now, and then just have to enter payment code and then tap on pay now at the very bottom. And there you have it. The transfer is already successful and you can check your GCash account. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!